In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a content calendar for social media using Google Sheets, and we'll do it quickly and efficiently. A content calendar is an invaluable tool for planning and organizing all the social media posts you need to create. It helps you visualize your posting schedule and ensure all deadlines are met, maximizing your content's reach and engagement. We'll start by setting up your sheet. Begin by opening Google Sheets and creating a new blank spreadsheet. This will be the backbone of your content calendar. In the first row of the sheet, create your column headers. A good set of headers to begin with would include date, topic, caption, platform, status, and link to photo. These columns will guide your organization and ensure all necessary details are recorded. Next, let's set up the dates. Start by entering the initial date of your content calendar in the date column. You might use a formula such as equals today, open and close parentheses, or manually enter a specific date. To easily autofill subsequent days, click on the cell with your initial date and drag the small blue square located in the bottom right corner of the cell downwards. This will autofill the following days in the column. If you're using a formula, you can write equals A2 plus 1 in the cell below your first date, then drag to fill the rest. To add dates for additional weeks, you can also use a formula like equals A2 plus 7, helping you quickly extend your calendar chronologically. Now that we have our date set, let's add the content and details. Begin by filling in the topic column with the subject of each post. Move along to the caption column where you paste or write the text you'll use for these posts. In the platform column, specify which social media outlet each post will be shared on. It's also helpful to use the status column to track each post's progress with labels like draft, scheduled, or published. Don't forget to include a link in the link to photo column for any images or videos tied to your post. With all your data entered, it's time to organize and customize the layout. For readability, adjust the row and column sizes, add borders, and use different background colors for your headers. Consider implementing conditional formatting to highlight crucial statuses or upcoming deadlines automatically. For a more visual-friendly calendar view, create another sheet tab to lay out a grid with days of the week across the top and dates down the side, which helps plan content at a glance. Finally, when it's time to duplicate the calendar for a new month, simply right-click on the current sheet tab, select Duplicate, and update the dates. This easy method keeps your organization seamless and maintains consistency across months. By following these steps, you'll have a comprehensive, easy-to-read content calendar that will greatly assist in planning your social media posts effectively and efficiently.